In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix YouTube not working on Android phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do it very easily regardless of whichever Android phone you have. It can be really annoying if your YouTube's not working, especially when you're just trying to watch videos. So the first thing you want to do is go over to your settings application. Once you're here, scroll down towards the bottom, and you're going to see apps as one of the options. Go over to that. Now over here, you're going to see all your downloaded apps, but go all the way and find your YouTube application, which obviously it starts with Y, so it's going to be right at the bottom. Go ahead and click on it. Now the first thing I want you to do is press full stop on the bottom right. This is going to completely stop it from running in the background for a second. Then go ahead and scroll down and you're going to see storage as one of the options. Go ahead and click on it. And then if you have any cache right now, all you want to do is press clear cache. And now as you can see, once I pressed it, it's on 0 bytes now. Now I can go back to YouTube and it should be working fine. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out other tutorials as well.